Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I'll be doing all the crafting, of course. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. I ordered a craft kit from Annie's Kits or Annie's Kit Club or something like that. Annie's, I'll put the name here and I'll put a link to the company down below as well so you can check it out. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just randomly purchased this because I am on a spending spree again. And so I just purchased it and it arrived the other day. So I thought I would do it as a video and see what we think. So here's what I got. We'll open it in the video and see what it is. It's a home sign, which will determine if this was worth it or not. We'll get there. So if you would, go ahead and subscribe. That's important. Hit the bell when you subscribe so you know when I come out with a new video. And once you've done that, then go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. Have you ever tried this Annie's Kit Club deal before? Have you ever tried that? Would you ever try that? Is that something you'd ever be interested in? It's not, I believe it's like 10 or 20, no, I think it's $20 a month if you continue. The first month was like half off or something. But then if you continue on, it's 20, maybe $30, $29.99 maybe a month. And you get a kit every month that you can work on and they give you instructions and all this. And it seemed like a great idea, like something to just do. It may be better for a younger crowd, like maybe late teenagers, because they would have more of a structured guide of what to do and give them some ideas on how to make it better. I don't know. I'm just talking out the side of my neck right now. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go ahead and let's go take a look. So here's what I received. It was this long package. It took maybe 2 weeks or so for me to get. And they do it monthly, so it's a monthly option. And this was a home sign. Now, could you probably go to Dollar Tree and find something similar or create something very similar for probably about $5? Yes, of course you could. But this, you know, it's halfway put together for you. I mean, it has all the pieces that you're going to need. You don't have to go to Dollar Tree and go searching for anything. It's all there in the little package that they send you. They sent a bunch of paint. They sent the paint brushes. They sent Velcro to stick the items on. I mean, they did send it all, so that was quite nice. It's all there, so, you know, I don't know. It was fun. It looks good. It does look good. I can say that for sure. It looks better than I actually would have thought, so that's a nice surprise. But anyway, so I'm just taking apart all the pieces so you can see everything. It's like every holiday and every season, and then the letters to end up spelling home. And it's got a nice sawtooth hanger on the back for you to hang it up. So I pretty much am just following what the directions say. I'm just going to follow their lead because the way they made it looked good, so I just kind of went with that. Starting off by painting the background white. Now again, this is not a big sign, so you could get a similar sign at Dollar Tree and you could potentially make this on your own for, again, probably about $5. I'm guessing, I don't know. So just painting that background white. And I still use my hairdryer for drying my paint. I don't have one of those nifty heat guns. Maybe one day I will, but I don't now. And they recommended putting painter's tape in order to paint the frame, because we're going to paint the frame black. Imagine that. Is that a surprise to anyone? But their frame actually was black, so I really literally am following their lead on this one. This was not my creation. So once we've got all the painter's tape on, then we're just going to paint that frame. And again, they sent all this. They sent that paint right there. It's just a acrylic paint. It is a good acrylic paint. I believe I only did one coat of black paint. And they sent those paint brushes. And then I am going to paint the little pieces. So the O in the word home, you change out for every season or every holiday that's coming. So the one that I have here is the bunny, of course, for Easter. Now, Easter just passed, but that's okay because it'll sit in stash until next year, so that's fine. And it had a cute little bunny tail and everything. And then the Christmas tree. Now, the green was quite bright, and so I did end up having to mix that green with the brown color that they sent, so I did do that. They also had that St. Patrick's Day Clover you see there. I did the same thing for that with mixing the green paint. And the snowflake, I added white to the blue paint that they sent to get that lighter blue. And then I added my, what I call Kelly Barlow stitching because it looks so much better like that. And yes, Kelly, I do agree. I know you'll never see this video, but I do agree, Kelly, that that stitching does make that snowflake look much better. And I put it on most of the other cutouts as well. So after we've got the Mod Podge on, that was Mod Podge, by the way, a glossy Mod Podge, because we're actually going to use glitter. Now this is probably, you know, everyone's nightmare, but I figured I'm going to do it. I don't use glitter ever, so I figure this is my chance. They send it to me, I'm going to use it, darn it. And it actually does look quite cute. So then we're going to work on putting it together. So I wanted it to pop out a little bit. And so, well, first I got to measure. You know me and my measuring, I got to measure. So I wanted the words to pop out, or the word. So I'm using the foam mounting tape. I believe that was Dollar Tree foam mounting tape. And I'm going to do that for all of the letters. And then for the stick-on, for the changeable letter, the O, I'm going to use on the board itself, on the sign itself, I'm going to use 2 pieces of the foam mounting tape and then the Velcro that they sent. Now, because I'm so brilliant, I put my home word upside down, so I'm now having to switch that. So a tip here, look to see which direction the hang sign is. So that's all the pieces that I got with it. You probably couldn't see that. I'm sorry, it was so small. And this is how it looks. Now, I put the little spring flower on there because, again, Easter I just passed, so we won't do that. But we've got the little spring flower, and the black and white, of course, is absolutely 100% my style, so I liked it. And I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you would take the time to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell when you subscribe so you know when my next video comes out. Go ahead and leave a comment down below, and then also a thumbs up. I do thank you again so much for stopping by. Do remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised.